Hello, this is Miss Emily from Wise Primary School, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do Google Classroom and all of the assignments using an iPad. Now, you're going to use the Google Classroom app, which you can see highlighted on your screen now. Open the app, and you'll be asked to log in using your student's or your child's login information, so your email and password you received from your teacher. You will find your child's class, and at the bottom, you'll see Stream, Classwork, and People. Make sure you click Classwork in the middle of the screen on the bottom, and it'll pull up all of the assignments. My classroom is split into themes. So you'll see announcements and information, and here you'll see a whole bunch of materials. I'm going to show you how to view a material. So at the top is my August newsletter, and when you click it, you'll see the attachments. When you click the attachment, it'll pull up a PDF document of it, and you can read through it, and this is how you would view a PDF document. And when you're finished, you'll hit the X in the top left corner and then the back button in the top left corner on this screen to get back to the classwork page. Now in my classroom, I have mine split into weeks with the dates, and I'm going to show you first how to submit a letter activity. So you'll see an assignment titled Monday Letter Activity. When you click on it, it'll pull it up, and you won't be able to see the assignment for your child. If you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see an arrow pointing up. If you click that arrow where it says Your Work, and you can slide it up or you can click it, it will open up a screen. It'll open up a screen to where you can see your child's assignment. So as you can see, Your Work, you can see Caroline Perry, letter S, digital activity. When you click on the activity, it'll open it up again as a PDF document. And as you can see, you cannot complete the assignment, you can just view the pages. So if you'll look in the top right corner, you'll see a box with an arrow pointing to the top right. If you'll click that box, it'll ask you how you would like to open this assignment, and you will click Open next to Safari. So you'll open this document with the Safari browser. And it'll open the assignment. Now, as you can see, here's the assignment. Here's where your child will complete the assignment. You can see the instructions on the right side of the screen. Now, you'll click on the second slide, and you'll see the first assignment page. As you can see, you can drag it back and forth and are able to move it around. But if you click the magnifying glass at the top in the top toolbar, you can actually scale it down and shrink it to be to where you can see the whole screen. As for completing this assignment, this is one where you take the stickers and you drag them over to the letter S. On iPads, it's a little different. You have to tap it, and then you can tap again and drag. But you must tap it and drag. Tap and drag. This should be pretty easy. You can tap it and drag. Now, there is no way for us to change it to where you guys cannot resize it. So you can make these stickers bigger, you can make them smaller, but for the sake of these assignments, please try to keep them the same size. If you teach your child, all you have to do is tap it in the middle and then tap it in the middle and drag it over. That should keep that from being an issue. So remember, tap and drag. Tap, tap again, and drag. And then you can move them around, and you'll just put them on the letter S. For the next assignment, it's the same idea. On this one, they will tap one of the circles on the right side of the screen, and they will tap and drag to find the letter S, and they'll put the circle on top or around the letter S. They have to find all of the letter S's in this picture, so you tap the circle, and then you tap and drag. You can have your child continue this assignment until it is complete. Make sure they find all of the letter S's in the picture and drag a circle over to it. When you're finished, you do not have to save it. You can click Done in the top left corner of the screen. And it'll bring you back to this. To exit this, hit the X on the top left corner of the screen again. And then once they have finished the assignment and it's completely done, they may click the green Turn In button, and it will submit the assignment. You'll click Turn In again, and it will have the assignment submitted. You can unsubmit if you did it by accident. To get back to the classwork page, you'll click the arrow at the top of the screen pointing down. It'll slide that down, and then you'll click the back arrow again. Now I'm going to show you how to complete worksheets. This is going to be how, if you have a PDF file, this is going to show you how you can draw on it and you complete it that way. At the top of my page in my classroom, under announcements and information, you'll see how to complete worksheet assignments on iPads. This is a tutorial, it's a video that one of our tech coaches has created, so you may go and refer to this if you need to, but I'm going to try and explain it in this video. So the assignment in my classroom that you will have is Monday worksheets, or whatever day of the week worksheet it is. You'll click on that and it'll pull you to this page and it'll explain how to do it. It'll say, please complete this assignment. If you are on a computer, you can use Cami, which is a Google Chrome extension, to complete this assignment, and there are instructions attached. You'll see the attachments, Cami and Google Classroom for students remote learning. But if you're using an iPad, you may watch this tutorial or how to complete the assignments, which is what I showed you a moment ago. That was from one of our tech coaches. Again, you'll click the arrow at the bottom of the screen where you see your work, and you'll pull that up. You can click and drag or just click it, and you will see your work. It will have a name, and you'll click on it, and it'll pull it up as a PDF. And as you can see, you can't draw on it. You can just scroll and look at it. But if you look at the top right of the screen, next to the box that we had clicked earlier, a pencil. If you click the pencil, it'll pull it up. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a toolbar with an eraser, a pen, a marker, a highlighter. You can click on it. You can change the size, which are the black dots at the bottom. That'll be the size of your pen. You can change all of the colors, and if you click the arrow next to the colors, it'll give you more options. Now for this, I think I'm going to select blue for the letter S. And your child can just take their finger and they can draw and color the letter S. Then they can go back and select another color, and they can write it again, and they can select another color and do it one more time. This is called rainbow writing, when you write over the same letter with multiple colors. Now I'm going to color the sun, but we have a little bit of a problem. We can't see the entire sun. So if you click on the picture itself to scroll it down, it'll just make a mark. You can click the undo button in the top right corner, but to scroll down, you'll click anywhere in the black on either side, and you can scroll up and down. And then you can color in the picture. They can finish the assignment. You can scroll back up, you can scroll back down anytime by clicking on the black on the side and moving your finger up and down. To get to the next page, you'll look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an arrow. When you click that arrow, it'll take you to the next worksheet. This one's the color red. You can scroll up and down and select a different color. Click the color. They won't know what word that says at the top, so make sure you tell them, okay, what color is a stop sign? It's red, and so have them color the stop sign red. Then when you're finished, there is a save button in the top right corner. You will click save, and it will save your assignment for you. It'll say edited with your child's name. Then you will hit the X in the top left corner once you have done that. And as you can see, there's the file that we just saved and we have just written on. You can click on it and you'll pull it up, and your child will be able to see their work of what they did. Again, you can hit the X in the top left corner to close it. And then click the green turn in button and then turn in again. And there you have it. That is how you complete worksheet assignments and the letter activities that are in Google Slides. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. I'll help you in the best way I can. Thank you.